Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the metals price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for the metals to see what happened, what might happen next. So basically we're gonna start with the gold here on the 1 hour chart, where we have of course still ranging the gold. Very boring on the gold. I don't know why, guys, as this triangle is never ending here, but basically we are in a wave D. A, B, C, D, and potential wave E still there to be unfolding a push toward the upside still for the gold here, where you might finish, of course, is this potential ending diagonal 1 and then 2, and then we're looking for probably wave 4 here, which I doubt it. Of course, the wave 4 finished there for a diagonal, and that means, of course, you would like to see a wave 5 as, of course, a zigzag, which is not the case, giving higher possibility here for the A, B, and a C. And then, of course, regular flat, and that means 1, 2, 3, 4. This triangle is related to this impulse 4 and a 5. 1 to 1 fib level to be hit 4,358, still over there, of course, to be watched. And we might drop down, of course, definitely in a big correction wave here for the gold. So these are the possibilities in both case scenario, diagonal or A, B, and a C. We're looking for this area 4,360. What is very interesting today is the silver. The silver is, of course, I don't know, surpassing the gold so much with performance. And we can see, of course, our diagonal here expanding diagonal perfectly unfolding inside, of course, our blue box in confluence here, where we have, of course, in precision, as we said, $60 for silver is, of course, a very clear target, and I'm still looking even for the most common $61 to be taken. And that means, of course, we're looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably can be an ending diagonal, or it can be, of course, an impulse for something higher that might be, of course, overextended. $62 or $63, that would be very impressive for the silver if it happens. But basically, I suspect here an ending diagonal, guys. Okay, so keep it in mind that it might turn into a diagonal. I'm still, of course, looking for a little bit higher to finish this impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 3, then 4 and a 5 to finish up here in the common target at least $61. Still very optional and possible for the silver. And with it, it's gonna finish, of course, is this 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, where you finish an impulse, of course, within, of course, an expanding diagonal, that because of the interfering here intersection for the wave 4 in the wave 1 and finishing a wave 3, and we might drop down, of course, towards a wave 4. Now, what are the possibility for 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5? Well, it can be, guys, of course, it can be, but we still need an answer after we finish this move there. If we get 3 waves and we start to see, of course, a signal of strength again and pushing for higher, well, that might be it, the scenario. Can be, of course, transforming here to 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now, why I don't take it from now? And that because, of course, the wave 1, 2 here is so much bigger than the previous one, which is unlikely to happen, very rare. And, of course, it looks much more like an expanding diagonal here in the perfection, I would say. So very nice for the silver. It's a very high performance in the metal today. For the palladium as well, we see the same thing here happening. For the palladium, we see, of course, a push towards the upside as well. For palladium, finally, from our blue box as well towards the next blue box, which is expected to be hit over there, and we're looking definitely here for something at as a diagonal, at least like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially can be 1, 2 also, and then pushing for higher, or it can be a 1 ABC expanding flat wave 2, another 1, 2 here, and you push for higher. And that means, of course, direct wave 5 might be taken in double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. How do we know that this is gonna be something impulsive? Well, okay, you have to take the 1,547. If this push takes this price, that means, of course, the wave 5 is longer than wave 3, not allowed to be diagonal, directly transformation to double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards the upside, finishing, of course, a wave A over there. And within this wave A, you're gonna finish the first part of the zigzag that you are expecting here, of course, as a A, B, and a C, because the wave C has to reach still the 1751, and that because you are in a bigger diagonal, leading diagonal, wave 5 unfolding to hit, of course, this area after 1, 2, 1, 2, and we push even for higher for Palladium. Yep, so these are the metals updates for the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.